Naruto Uzumaki was a young ninja who lived in the secret hamlet of Konoha once upon a time. Naruto was an orphan who endured several obstacles during his childhood. Because of a strong and dangerous beast locked within him, the nine-tailed fox, he was frequently mocked and treated as an outcast by the locals. Despite the hardships, Naruto always wore a bright smile and dreamt of becoming the greatest Hokage, the leader of the village. However, his journey to greatness was filled with failure and setbacks. He failed the Ninja Academy exams multiple times, and his classmates mocked him endlessly. One day, as Naruto was sulking under a tree, he met an old sage named Jiraiya, who saw the potential within him. Jiraiya decided to become Naruto's mentor and teach him the ways of a true ninja. He believed in Naruto's dreams and told him that failing doesn't give him a reason to give up, as long as he believed in himself. With newfound determination, Naruto began his training with Jiraiya. Through sweat, tears, and lots of laughter, he honed his skills and learned valuable life lessons. Naruto encountered many challenges and even faced his own darkness, but he never gave up. Along his journey, Naruto made friends who supported and believed in him. One of them was Sakura Haruno, who was initially critical of him, but later realized his true potential and became one of his closest friends. Another friend was Sasuke Uchiha, a prodigy with a troubled past. Naruto saw the pain and loneliness in Sasuke's heart and made it his mission to bring him back to the village from darkness. Despite Sasuke's rejection and many battles, Naruto never lost hope. As Naruto's skills improved, he faced numerous formidable opponents, each stronger than the last. But with his indomitable spirit and belief in himself, Naruto persevered, proving that failing didn't make him weak, but rather fueled his determination to get back up. One fateful day, Naruto confronted the mysterious leader of an evil organization who sought to destroy the village. Despite being heavily outnumbered, Naruto refused to back down. He tapped into the power of the nine-tailed fox and unleashed his most potent technique, the Rasengan, to protect his loved ones and the village. Naruto's unwavering belief in himself and his friends inspired everyone around him. The villagers who once shunned him began to admire and respect him for his bravery and never give up attitude. As Naruto's journey continued, he encountered more challenges, but he faced each one with the same unwavering determination. He finally reunited with Sasuke and managed to bring him back to the village, helping him find his own path to redemption. In the end, Naruto fulfilled his dream of becoming the Hokage, leading the village with compassion and understanding. His journey taught everyone that failing doesn't define your worth. It's your belief in yourself and your refusal to give up that truly matters. The story of Naruto Uzumaki spread far and wide, becoming a symbol of hope and inspiration to all. People realized that life was filled with ups and downs, but as long as they believed in themselves and persevered, they could overcome anything. And so, the tale of Naruto Uzumaki became a legendary story in the hidden village of Konoha, a reminder that failing was just a stepping stone towards greatness, as long as you believed in yourself. And in the hearts of all who heard his story, Naruto's indomitable spirit lived on forever.